how to connect Astro A30 to PS5. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Astro A30 headset to a PS5. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is download the Logitech G mobile app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Over here, follow the on-screen instructions to customize device mixes and additional settings based on your needs. After that, to connect with the Lightspeed wireless transmitter, plug the included USB wireless transmitter into your PS5. The transmitter LED will show blue when in console mode. Then, if you want to use the wired mode, take the included 1.5-meter cable, plug it into the 3.5 jack on your 30, and connect the other end to your PlayStation controller. Next, turn on the headset by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. You will hear a tone to indicate it is powered on. After that, navigate to the sound settings on your PS5. Set both the input and output to Astro A30. To connect to third-party chat programs like Discord via Bluetooth, make sure your A30 is powered on and in pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks blue. Then select your A30 from the Bluetooth device list on your device. Now you can control the overall volume of the headset by pushing the joystick upwards or downwards. So that's how you can connect your Astro A30 to a PS5. That's all for this video.